How to link your bank account to your TikTok in 2023. Today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. First, open TikTok and then tap right here in the bottom right corner. Once you do that, tap on the three lines in the top right corner of the screen right here and then go to Settings and Privacy. From here, tap on Balance right under Security here, and once this page loads up, tap right here. If you have balance, tap on Withdraw right here and follow up with me. You should see something that looks like this. Tap on Add a new payment method. From this screen, choose one of the payment methods available, so tap right here. From here, you need to verify your account by typing in the code that you will receive to your phone number. Once you do that, tap on Agree and Continue at the bottom of this screen. From here, fill in your bank info correctly. And once you're done from that, scroll down and tap on Confirm right here and you should be good to go. And that is it for the video, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.